Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add prepaid funds to your ad account on Facebook. Now, when you come to Facebook, for example, when you come to your billing and payment, for those who don't know, from your ad account, you can look at your billing and payment settings. When you click on it, it brings you here. Now, there are two types of payment on Facebook. We are postpaid and prepaid. Postpaid means that you want to run the advert anytime you get to your threshold. They will charge it direct from your card, your debit card. So this one, for example, as you see here, it says that my threshold is $2, and sometimes when your threshold is small, the deductions may be more frequent. So you can imagine that if your budget is $10 a day, anytime it gets to $2, they will charge from your account. They may make 5 deductions in one day, and it's too frequent and may not be the best for you. So in order to avoid frequent deductions, you can choose the prepaid account. The prepaid means that you want to put the money as funds to your account so that they will always deduct from your account. They will deduct from the funds you've added so that you can manually add the money from your bank to your Facebook, and they'll be deducting manually from your Facebook. So for example, as you see here, funds is 0.00. So I want to add some funds. So I'll click on add funds. I'm adding $17. So you click on add, choose the amount you want to add so that will be sitting on your account to be used for your payment. So I'll click on continue. If you want to add a different payment method to, you can choose that. So let me confirm. So as you see, I've added prepaid funds to my advertising account. So this money will now be used so that anytime they want to deduct, they will deduct from here. You can add any amount you want. So you can normally calculate if your budget is $5 a day and you are making it 1 week, 5 times 1 week will be what? 7 days will be $35. You can add $35, you can add 100, you can add 500 or $1,000. If you follow this and you have any problem adding, just follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the caption, the description of this video, to contact me for help, and I will gladly assist you. Now, some of those services we charge to offer it. If you also want us to run your Facebook or Instagram or Google ad campaigns for you, we are available to do that. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.